Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. If you are riding over rain grooves or bridge gratings and your motorcycle begins to weave, you should A. Brake suddenly, B. Steer in a weaving pattern, C. Relax, maintain a steady speed, and ride straight across the grooves, D. Move to the leftmost portion of the lane. The correct answer is C. Question 2. A plastic, shatter-resistant face shield, A. is not necessary if you have a windshield, B. only protects your eyes, C. helps protect your whole face, D. does not protect your face as well as goggles. The correct answer is C. Question 3. When approaching a blind intersection, you should A. ride in the portion of the lane that will bring you into other drivers' fields of vision at the earliest possible moment, B. always be in the left lane to be the farthest from oncoming traffic, C. slowly sneak up to the intersection, D. weave slightly in your lane so your headlight has a better chance of being spotted. The correct answer is A. Question 4. Consequences for driving while intoxicated. DWI may include A. fines, B. license revocation, C. jail time, D. all of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 5. When you are being passed from behind, you should A. ride in the center portion of the lane, B. ride in the left portion of the lane, C. ride in the right portion of the lane, D. ride in any portion of the lane. The correct answer is A. Question 6. A linked braking system, A. connects the front and rear brakes, applying both brakes when either brake lever is applied, B. connects the front brake to the gear shifter, applying the brake when the rider downshifts, C. connects the rear brake to a foot control, D. connects the rear brake to a switch on the handlebar. The correct answer is A. Question 7. To prevent fatigue when riding on long trips, you should A. take frequent breaks, B. limit your distance, C. dress for the elements, D. all of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 8. When does an anti-lock braking system, ABS, begin operating? A. when maximum pressure is applied to only the front brake, B. when maximum pressure is applied to only the rear brake, C. when pressure is released from both the front and rear brakes, D. when maximum pressure is applied to both the front and rear brakes. The correct answer is D. Question 9. You should operate the engine cutoff switch and pull in the clutch when A. The throttle is stuck and you cannot free it. B. You start to lose control in a curve. C. You are running out of gas on a busy street. D. The motorcycle starts to wobble. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When parking a three-wheeled motorcycle on the side of the road, it should be A. Close to oncoming traffic. B. Angled with the rear wheels touching the curb. C. Angled with the front wheel touching the curb. D. Parked parallel to the curb. The correct answer is D. Question 11. You should use your low beam headlight. A. When riding in fog. B. When following another vehicle. C. When approaching an oncoming vehicle. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 12. When the road is slippery, maintain a following distance of at least A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 10 seconds. The correct answer is C. Question 13. If you lock the rear tire on a good traction surface, you should A. Release and reapply the rear brake. B. Keep it locked until you completely stop. C. Release the rear brake and only use the front brake. D. Release the rear brake and use both brakes to stop. The correct answer is B. Question 14. If your drive chain breaks, you A. should hold the chain in place. B. Can continue safely riding. C. Will notice a loss of power to the rear wheel. D. Should remember to fix the belt on your next stop. The correct answer is C. Question 15. The gear shift lever is located A. In front of the left footrest. B. In front of the right footrest. C. Behind the left footrest. D. Behind the right footrest. The correct answer is A. Question 16. Maximum straight line braking is done by A. Using the front brake, then the rear brake. B. Using the rear brake, then the front brake. C. Using the front and rear brakes at the same time without locking either wheel. D. Using the front and rear brakes at the same time while locking the rear wheel. The correct answer is C. Question 17. It is important to flash your brake light when A. You are tired while riding. B. You will be slowing where other drivers won't expect it. C. There is a stop sign ahead. D. Your signals are not working. The correct answer is B. Question 18. When riding a three-wheeled motorcycle, you should stay in A. The left side of the lane. B. The right side of the lane. C. The center portion of the lane. D. Whichever portion of the lane you want. The correct answer is C. Question 19. An integrated braking system. A. Applies partial rear braking when the front brake is applied. B. Applies partial front braking when the rear brake is applied. C. Applies even braking for both the front and rear brakes when either is applied. D. Learns and remembers the approximate braking force used by the rider. The correct answer is B. Question 20. Before every ride, you should A. Make sure the clutch feels loose and free. B. Wash your helmet. C. Adjust the mirror to see the edge of your helmet. D. Make sure each brake can hold the motorcycle. The correct answer is D.